Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to back up Xero. Whether you're safeguarding your financial records or preparing for an audit, knowing how to export and back up your accounting data is essential for keeping your business information secure and accessible. First, you'll want to navigate to Xero.com in your web browser. Once you're there, sign in using your existing credentials. If you're new to Xero and don't have an account yet, you can start a free trial to get familiar with the platform and its features. After logging in, you'll land on the Xero dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your accounting activities. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the main navigation menu at the top of the screen, as this is where you'll access all the important tools and settings Xero offers. Now click on Accounting in the top navigation menu. When you do this, an expanded menu will appear with several options. From these options, select Accounting Settings. This section houses all the configuration and customization tools you'll need to manage how your Xero account operates. Once you're in the accounting settings area, you'll see a comprehensive list of all the customization and configuration settings available for your Xero account. These settings let you fine-tune how your accounting data is organized and managed. Look for the option labeled Export Accounting Data and click on it. This is the feature that allows you to create backups of your critical financial information. On this export page, you'll be able to select exactly what type of data you want to back up and save a copy of. Click on the Select Product drop-down menu and scroll through the available options until you find the specific dataset you wish to export. Xero offers various data types, so take your time to ensure you're selecting the right one for your backup needs. Once you've made your selection, you'll see date range customization options appear on the screen. This is where you can define the exact time frame for your backup. Select the start date for when you want the backup to begin, then choose the end date. You'll also notice information about the documents that will be included in this export process, giving you a clear picture of what's being backed up. When you're satisfied with your selections, simply click on the Download button. The backup file will automatically begin downloading through your browser. Depending on the size of your data and the date range selected, this might take a moment, so be patient while the file prepares and downloads to your device. And there you have it. You've successfully created a backup of your Xero accounting data. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.